Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to turn off alarm on a Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first here, of course you just have to open your clock applications first, and then at the bottom you will see many options, and you just have to go to this page which is alarm. So if you wanna turn off the alarm, you just have to tap on this button beside the alarm that you activated before. Here I'm gonna tap on this button, and yeah, that alarm right now is already turned on. So here, if your case is how to turn off the alarm that ringing, here I'm gonna show you first. I'm gonna make a new alarm to ringing it. Here I'm gonna set up first. Now we just have to wait for the alarm until it's ringing. Like it, yeah guys. So if you want to turn it off, you just have to tap on the stop options like this. So the alarm is already turned off. Here we can check it again. And yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.